Alright everybody, so here we have the Hunter Augusta 5-minute fan. It's the Augusta 2. This is in my neighbor's house with the Bellhaven and another Augusta. So, yeah, this is in the first bedroom. It's kind of strange how the one at my cottage has the missing fob too on this one. Yeah, here's the light. And then, we'll get to the... No, shut the light off there. So... here's glow. These fans are pretty decent. They aren't bad at all. They move a good amount of air. Go to medium now. So. Got the older fob in there, the oval 100 chain before they switch to the up and down ones, you know. Go to high. It's high. I think this is one of those 5-minute fans. You can kind of see with the black things, with the blade arms, because I think, yeah, it's just the clipping ones. They shake a little bit. And then here's the light. And it's off, set this back to low. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later and goodbye.